this is Ola with the End Human. Today I want to show you a quick walkthrough to our new mood board. Just for quick, we have this, what I call the inspirational mood board. Looks like this. It creates a very different pattern each time. So it's a little unpredictable, but it's very nice for inspiration. Because it creates very different type of layouts every time. But I figured for like a brand book or something, you want a more structured layout. So I came up with this new one. It's called it's called the enhanced layout. So here you can see an example of the word mark, a logo, and the word mark on a mood background, and font examples, and also the color palette underneath, and some mood photography. So it will always be like this. I will just show you an example. Let's just modify this coffee shop and coffee roaster, and let's call this in Berlin, Germany. And make this pop art, colorful, happy, and this color scheme we do purple, pink, reds, and a poster font. So here you have serif, non-serif, display poster, or a decorative font. And then what do you want to avoid? With my coffee brands, I always avoid show coffee beans, because that's, I don't know, I guess a very common kind of thing that will create coffee beans, and I don't like it. So let's try this one. We'll send it to the agent. Also new is now you see the approximate runtime for each template. So every time it runs, it measures how long it runs, and then this gives you the average of all template runs across all clients. So these are probably a couple of hundred runs for this one, and it's pretty precise. So we're gonna wait for a little bit, and I'll come back in a second. So here we go. It just finished. It's loading the asset now, and as you can see, it's quite different. It definitely followed our instructions. So we got a very poppy Flatbush Coffee Roasters Berlin, very flashy kind of icon or logo. I think the fonts, the secondary is not really used here. And that's the color palette and some mood photography. I think this is great. And just in comparison to the first one in the minimal mint theme. So this is the new mood board. Hope you liked it, and see you at the next one. Bye.